How to download Instagram story with music on iPhone. The first way is to use the iPhone screen recording. This is the simplest way to save an Instagram story with music. So first, go to the control center where you swipe down, long press on the bottom, and then add a control. So here, you search for the screen recording. In this case, you already have it in the control center. You just have to tap it and it will appear in the control center. So let's go back and press the screen record and we open Instagram. So here we open the story. And that's it. So for the second method is to use online story downloaders. So if you don't want to install an app, use an online downloader. So go to the story. We copy the link and we open Safari. So in this case, we use saveclip.app. We paste the story and we download. So we click download video and we click download. So here it will open on downloads. Here is the saved video from the story in Instagram. That's it. That's how you save and download Instagram story with music on iPhone.